Okay, well, today's a big day. I'm a little bit nervous. We're planting a hectare of hemp seed. Well, a hectare of land with hemp seed. We're going to plough it up first to get rid of any competitive plants. And then we're using a special seed drill to put the seeds just below the surface. We're going to add some worm castings to give them a little bit of food and to encourage really rich, diverse bacterial and fungal colonies in the ground, which will provide hopefully the nutrients that we need instead of putting in fertilizer. So it's a bit of a controversial area, I think, but the idea to me is that if we put fertilizer in, then those important bacteria and fungi won't produce. They don't have a role in the dirt, so they just sort of disappear, and then the dirt becomes really dead and sterile. And that's the opposite of what we're trying to do. Trying to create beautiful soil and pulling carbon out of the atmosphere, turning that into plant matter, and then the roots in the ground are made of carbon, and all the bugs will break that down into beautiful, rich humus, which is that nice black soil. Not expecting that's going to happen with one crop, or even probably 2 or 3 crops, but just chipping away, getting the carbon out of the air and into the ground. That's the aim. And then if we can get a byproduct of a crop, a plant, in this case hemp, which grows so quickly that you pull a lot of carbon out of the air, then it's win-win. We can use the seeds for food, we can use the stalks for building products, and use the bark for fibre for like paper and clothing, even though there's not a good way to process that in Australia. There's a lot of opportunities. So that's the idea in planting this hectare. It does require a little bit of water, so we're planting it next to a dam, and just doing a test spot of about the hectare, as I said, because it's more space to do more if it works, but we need to find some water somewhere with a water license, or get some for the creek, or we got some bigger dams. But that'll be our rate limiting step, I think. So yeah, exciting day.